Is your baby really ready to start solid foods? So, one of the most reliable signs of readiness to eat is your baby having the ability to sit relatively unassisted. But what does that look like? And are there things that you could be doing to help your baby prepare for their next stage of nutrition, which will be eating solid food? In this video, I'll show you some simple sitting exercises that you can do at home to help your baby prepare for a safe and successful start to solid foods. And be sure to stick around because I'm also going to show you what to do if your baby is not sitting on their own once you get to the 6-month mark and why that's actually okay. Hi, I'm Katie Ferraro. I'm a registered dietitian and mom of 7. I specialize in infant feeding and baby-led weaning. And I'm going to be real, most babies are not ready to start solid foods right at the 6-month mark. Okay, sometimes it takes a little bit longer because one of the most important, reliable signs of readiness to eat is your baby's ability to sit relatively unassisted. So when babies can sit pretty much on their own, that's their way of showing you that they have the head and neck control as well as the trunk strength to support a safe swallow. If your baby can't sit up on their own yet, they are not safe to swallow anything except infant milk yet. There are a few things that you can do to help strengthen your baby's ability to sit so that when the time comes, they will be ready and they will be safe to start solid foods. In my program, Baby-Led Weaning with Katie Ferraro, I walk parents through some pre-feeding exercises related to sitting that you can try out even before your baby starts solid foods. So let's take a look. In the last video, we went over some of the reliable signs of readiness to eat. Your baby being 6 months of age or 6 months adjusted age if born prematurely, and also able to sit relatively on their own. But what if you get to the 6-month mark and your baby is not sitting on their own? Do not stress. That's very typical. Not all babies are ready to start solid foods right at the 6-month mark. Your baby might be 6 months plus 1 week, or 6 months plus 2 weeks, or even 6 months plus 3 weeks before they are sitting on their own, and that is fine. Occasionally, but not all that often, your baby might even hit the 7-month mark and not be sitting. You cannot make your baby sit earlier than they are ready to, but you can practice sitting exercises in the lead up to starting solid foods. Sit with your baby in a supported sitting position, allowing them to develop that important head and neck control. You'll probably get tired of hearing this, but when it comes to starting solid foods, practice makes progress. And this goes for sitting exercises too. Remember, your baby needs to be sitting on their own before you trial anything except infant milk because they need to be demonstrating the head and neck control as well as the trunk strength required to support a safe swallow. Here are some activities that you can do to help strengthen your baby's muscles and support their development towards independent sitting. For supported sitting, you're going to want to sit on the floor with your legs out in front of you. Place your baby in your lap, facing outward or away from you. Use your hands to support their trunk as the baby sits upright. You'll gradually reduce the support as your baby gains strength. If you thought you were off the hook when it comes to tummy time at this point in your baby's development, I hate to break it to you, but tummy time still matters. You'll want to encourage plenty of tummy time to help strengthen your baby's neck, their back, and their shoulder muscles. Start with or continue short sessions a few times each day, and you'll gradually be able to increase the duration of these spurts as your baby becomes more comfortable. If you have a supportive cushion or a boppy pillow hanging around, these are great to place on the floor. Seat your baby against the supportive cushion while they're on the floor. This can provide some support for their trunk and helps the baby practice sitting up with a little less effort. While you're there on the ground, why not try some rolling exercises? Lie your baby on their back and gently encourage them to roll from side to side. This helps strengthen core muscles and promotes balance, which are important for sitting. Bumbo seats are somewhat controversial in the feeding and development space. If you have one, you can sit your baby in it to provide support around their trunk and their hips, which also allows babies to sit in an upright position. But please note that a Bumbo is never appropriate for feeding. It should always be used on the floor and never on an elevated surface. And in my opinion, it often gives parents a false sense of security. They think their baby is sitting in a Bumbo and they think it's the same thing as them sitting on their own, but it's not. So if you have one, you can use it, but no need to go out and buy one if you don't. Another easy exercise to practice is gently rocking back and forth. Get your baby supported in a seated position and gently rock them back and forth. This will help the baby get a feel for the movement and build strength in their core muscles. Always remember to supervise your baby closely during these activities. Be sure to stop if your baby seems uncomfortable or fatigued. And obviously, don't rock your baby too hard. Once your baby is showing you that they can sit relatively on their own and they pass that all important 6-month mark, it is time to start thinking about which foods can I make that my baby can safely eat. As a dietitian specializing in infant feeding and baby-led weaning, I am here to help you make real food safe so that you don't have to stress out about choking or you don't have to buy processed baby foods or pouches, because babies can eat so many more foods than we give them credit for. And if you're looking for step-by-step instructions on how to start solid foods safely with baby-led weaning, my comprehensive online program called Baby-Led Weaning with Katie Ferraro is the answer for you. This is an expert-led, proven approach to help your baby learn to eat real food. The program is packed with video trainings to help you master baby-led weaning, along with meal plans, feeding schedules, shopping lists, recipes, videos, and instructions for preparing over 100 safe foods for your baby's current age and stage. And when you join the Baby-Led Weaning with Katie Ferraro program, you also get access to my 100 First Foods daily meal plan, so you'll never have to worry about which food to feed your baby next. Sign up and get started today at babyledweaning.co/program or check out the link in the video description to learn more.